Hi, in front of me is VIVO IQOO Z8, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. You need to begin by going into Devices settings and then scrolling down to access Sounds and Vibration. Following that, scroll down just a bit and tap on Vibrate for incoming calls. Now apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. In my case, always vibrate. When you finished, go back. Click on the switcher next to Vibrate for notifications to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. And last but not least, scroll all the way down. Then click on those three switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibration, Touch Vibration, and vibrates when the other party answers or hangs up to enable or disable vibrations for all of them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!